Finance has a vast vocabulary and we cannot spend the entire training just reviewing these terms. However, having a grasp of all the terminology is not essential in order to having a working knowledge of finances at work. Here is a list of commonly used terms in finance that we are going to discuss. However, we will not discuss them in chronological order as listed here. The topics that we are going to cover are the difference between accounting and finance, the 5 most important terms and rules, common statements, and some other terms. Let us see the difference between accounting and finance. Accounting is a language of systematic recording, reporting, and analysis of financial transactions of a business, including the origination of the transaction, means where the transaction has originated, from where it has started. If we look at an organization, what is going on in terms of finance is that money is coming in, you can call it revenue or income, and the money is going out, that is expenses.